Child Welfare Services, the institution responsible for safeguarding children's welfare in Norway, faces significant criticism regarding both its practices and decision-making processes. Although the primary aim of child welfare services is to protect children from neglect and abuse, numerous cases have highlighted challenges within the system. 1. Lack of a holistic approach. One of the most prominent criticisms of child welfare services is the lack of a holistic approach. The service tends to focus on symptoms rather than the underlying causes of problems within families. Many families experience insufficient support in the early stages, and the measures implemented are often reactive instead of proactive. This can lead to worsening issues that could have been avoided with timely intervention. 2. Decision-making processes and abuse of power. The decision-making processes within child welfare services have also come under scrutiny. There have been reports of cases where decisions are made without adequate consideration of facts, marginalizing the families involved. When children are placed outside their homes, for instance, the family situations may often be overlooked or misinterpreted. This can have severe consequences for both families and children, who may suffer trauma from being separated from their parents without sufficient justification. 3. Lack of resources. Another criticism is that child welfare services often operates with limited resources. This leads to staff being overburdened, resulting in superficial handling of cases. Child welfare workers often have too many cases at once, which makes it difficult to provide the individual support necessary in many complex family situations. A lack of adequate training and support for staff can also affect the quality of services provided. 4. Work with minorities and vulnerable groups. Child welfare services has also been criticized for how it handles cases involving minorities and vulnerable groups. There are concerns that cultural differences are not always sufficiently understood or respected, which can lead to misunderstandings and inaccurate assessments. This can create a further sense of distrust between child welfare services and the communities it aims to protect. Conclusion. While child welfare services plays an essential role in society, it is crucial to address the systemic issues that hinder the service's ability to effectively carry out its mission. Criticism of child welfare services should be viewed as an opportunity for improvement rather than an attack on its existence. Through better resources, a more holistic approach, and greater respect for family structures and cultural differences, child welfare services can become a more effective actor in promoting children's welfare in Norway.